to attempt to show you all how to clean the power pod, because you can see some chicken did get stuck up there, and it is a little greasy. Now the glass dish, the crispy tray, the adapter, the big batch adapter piece, all that can fit inside the dishwasher. They didn't state whether top rack or whatnot, so I guess I don't know. I'm gonna show you what I use to clean most of my air fryers. Okay, this is what I use right here for the baskets, the crispy trays. Once they cool down, place them in the sink, spray them down with this, let them sit 5 minutes. Then, in my experience, it's been easier, way easier to clean them. If you clean this by hand, I do recommend you go ahead and dry it as soon as you finish cleaning it. And I just showed you how you would have to get a paper towel and slide under here to dry that. It's still not completely dry. That's why you still see, like, you know, the spots under there. That's not the glass part. That's this piece right here that has to dry. Going to attempt to clean the power pod. Okay, I'm going to just take this piece off, that crumb off right there. Now they recommend cleaning it with just a damp cloth, but I don't know about just that, because I ain't never known just water to cut no grease. So, I mean, it wasn't that greasy, but you see here, you're going to have to do just a little scrubbing. Y'all see that? But it's coming on. It's not, I'm not even scrubbing hard. Just keep going over it with the rag. It's not a scrub. I guess water will do. Pretty much got it. Okay. That was simple enough. Let's dry to make sure I got it all. Let's dry. See, that's what I mean by water just cutting no grease. Because you can still see like smudge. Like, you know, when grease is still stuck on something and you go to wipe it and it smudge it, smear a little bit. Yeah, that's what happened right there. So let's try something. I just dampen a paper towel. We're going to spray a little of the Dawn Power Wash on the paper towel. Just a little. Like that. Do it like that. And let's go over it. Now, they don't recommend this. But y'all, I ain't trying to get nobody sick. So we're just going to go over. Let's see if this works. Now, make sure your paper towel is a little drier than mine, because y'all don't want no water to get up in there and ruin it. So this, we're going to just go over it with the rag. See, there we go. There we go. This is what it looked like after me cleaning it. So yeah, it comes pretty clean. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you don't mind. Until the next video, have a blessed one.